Hey everybody, this is Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors with my first Kip Johnson Wheeling and Dealing video blog. My first video blog is The Myth of 99. Why listing your house at a 99 price is killing the amount of people that see your home in a search. The reason why listing your home at a 99 price is killing the amount of people that see your home in a search is because when people set up searches on Zillow or RMLS or Realtor.com, Redfin, any of them, they usually search between a whole number, such as 300 to 400. So when you, or 400 to 500. So when you list your house at say 399, people are the only people that are going to see it are people that are searching from 300 to 400. For example, let's say there's 350 people in Damascus searching for a house between 300,000 and 400,000. And then let's say there's another 50 people that are searching for a house between 400,000 and 500,000. If you list at 399, the only people that are going to see it are the first group. You're going to completely miss out on people that could have seen your house if you had listed a whole number, 400,000, between that 400,000 and 500,000. So, next time you want to list your home, think about that and list at a whole number. I think it'll drastically help you in the amount of traffic that sees your house. Thank you for watching my first Kip Johnson Wheeling and Dealing video blog. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.